Hey guys, I'm at the Milwaukee Media event, and one of the exciting releases in the carpentry remodeling field is this M12 Fuel Jigsaw. I have a ton of M12 in my shop. I really like it. Some of the really nice features of this, a lot of nice features like a premium jigsaw would have. They've got a blower switch. It's an on-off blower switch here. If you were cutting upside down, there's an on-off LED light, so you could turn that light on or off if it bothered you. There are 5 speeds on the Orbital. All the way up to 4 and off Orbital. Here's your on-off switch right here. Nice grip. They put the variable speed up here so you can see it and not accidentally hit it. They've got an auto, which is nice. Auto basically starts off really low RPM until you start to engage the wood, and then it kicks up. And one really cool feature that a lot of people probably don't realize is this plastic base here, this protective base. When you pull it back, let me see if I can do that. Do it this way. You pull it back like this, there's 2 blade storage inside it. How cool is that? I like that. So we're gonna see this sold as a bare tool only for $169. It's the M12 Jigsaw.